Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished there was a simple, natural way to bring a little life back to your lips? We spend so much time thinking about skincare for our faces, but our lips can often be an afterthought. They face the sun, the wind, the dry air right along with us. It seems like there's always a new, expensive product on the shelf promising the world. But I've always believed the best solutions are often right in our homes, waiting in our fruit bowls, without any fuss or fancy packaging. What if the secret to soft, happy lips wasn't in a tube, but in something you were about to toss in the compost bin? It might sound a little funny at first, but that's where the magic is, in the unexpected. I love finding new life for everyday things. An old piece of furniture, or a simple banana peel. We're all looking for ways to feel our best. For me, that often means turning to nature. Beauty can come from pure, simple ingredients. It feels honest and good. So let's put aside complicated routines for a moment and explore a little kitchen secret that can give your lips a natural, healthy glow. Picture a warm, sunny day and the simple joy of biting into fresh fruit. That's the wholesome goodness we're talking about. So, what exactly can a banana peel do for your lips? Well, you might be surprised. It's not just about finding a new use for kitchen scraps, it's about tapping into the natural goodness packed inside. That peel, which protects the sweet fruit, is full of wonderful things that your skin, and especially your lips, will love. Using the peel can help to gently moisturize and soften your lips, leaving them feeling smooth and refreshed. It's like giving them a little drink of water and a whole lot of love, all from something that would have otherwise gone to waste. Beyond just softness, this simple trick can help your lips look naturally fuller and more vibrant. The banana peel has enzymes and antioxidants that work to gently exfoliate and hydrate. This process helps to bring out your lips' natural color, making them look healthy and radiant. It's not about a dramatic overnight change, but a subtle plumping effect that comes from deep hydration and nourishment. Your lips will just look happier and healthier with a soft sheen that comes from within. The secret lies in the peel's inner white pith: potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E. Think of these as little helpers that work to repair and rejuvenate your skin. Vitamin E is a wonderful moisturizer, helping to lock in hydration and protect the delicate skin on your lips. The other vitamins and minerals work together to soothe dryness. There are no harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, and no complicated instructions. Just you and a piece of fruit. Are you ready to give this a try? It's truly as easy as it sounds. All you need is a ripe banana. The next time you peel one for your morning smoothie or a snack for the kids, just save a small piece of the peel, about an inch or two so it's easy to hold. Make sure the banana is ripe. The peel will be softer and the nutrients more available. Take the peel and gently rub the inner white side over your lips. Use a soft circular motion to cover your entire lips for about a minute or two. After rubbing, don't wipe it off right away. Let that goodness sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Vitamins and natural enzymes get to work, hydrating and nourishing your lips. You might feel a slight tightening as the residue dries. Totally normal. When time's up, rinse with cool water or wipe gently with a damp cloth. You should immediately feel a difference. Your lips, incredibly soft, smooth, wonderfully hydrated. For extra care, follow up with your favorite natural lip balm. A simple, 4-step kitchen-to-lips treatment. Everyday magic straight from nature. Once you see how wonderfully the banana peel works, it might get you thinking about what other treasures are hiding in your pantry. Nature has provided so many simple solutions for taking care of ourselves. For a gentle lip scrub, you can mix a little bit of honey, fine sugar. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture to your lips. Sugar acts as a soft exfoliant to slough away dry skin. Just mix them into a paste. Gently scrub your lips. Rinse. It's a sweet and simple way to keep your lips feeling smooth. Another favorite is coconut oil. It's versatile. A tiny dab of pure coconut oil makes a fantastic overnight lip mask. Rich in fatty acids, it provides deep, lasting hydration to repair chapped lips while you sleep. You'll wake up with nourished, incredibly soft lips. Shea butter, olive oil. These pure single-ingredient moisturizers work without additives. It's about finding what feels good and what works for you. Don't forget staying hydrated from the inside out. Drink plenty of water throughout the day for healthier skin and lips. Hydration makes your skin more plump and resilient, like watering your garden. So tonight, try the banana peel trick. It's more than a beauty hack. It's a moment to connect with simple, good things. Enjoy soft, happy lips and the knowledge you used something simple and pure.